Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change and edit your profile account information on Indeed job search. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Indeed.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Indeed credentials. This ensures you have access to your profile and can make all the necessary changes to keep your job search information up to date. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where all your account information is stored. Now you'll be able to see your basic information and details displayed on the screen. This section contains all the personal information that employers can see when you apply for jobs, so keeping it accurate and current is essential for your job search success. To start editing your information, click on the section you want to modify. This will open up the editing interface where you can make changes to various fields. Let's go through each option systematically. First, you can edit your first name and last name. Simply click on the name field and type in any corrections or updates you need to make. This is particularly important if you've recently changed your name or if there was a typo in your original entry. Second, you can edit your phone number. Click on the phone number field and enter your current contact number. This ensures potential employers can reach you quickly when opportunities arise. Additionally, you'll notice a checkbox option that says Show My Number on Indeed. If you want your phone number to be visible to employers, go ahead and check this box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked for more privacy. Next, you can update your email address. Click the Edit button next to the email field. A new window will appear where you can input your new email address. After entering it, click Update Email to save the change. Make sure to use an email address you check regularly so you don't miss any important job notifications. Moving on, you can change your country setting. Click the Change button next to the country field and select your current location from the drop-down menu. This helps Indeed show you relevant job opportunities in your region. Then, you can add or edit your street address, city, state, and postal code. These fields help employers understand your location and commute possibilities. Fill in each field accurately with your current residential information. Now, there's a section called Relocation. If you're open to moving for a job opportunity, check the checkbox that says, Yes, I'm willing to relocate. This can significantly expand your job search options by showing employers that you're flexible with location. Once you've reviewed all your changes and everything looks correct, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This will update all your profile information with the new details you've entered. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Indeed profile with your current information, making you more visible and accessible to potential employers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.